I've seen that I don't want one. It's when I'm leaving my home. When it's singing, I'm moving. When I'm off my spot, yeah. Oh, Piggy! Bad Piggy! Yeah.
What else?
It's singing, I'm at my home. You're singing me now. I see my piggy, your doggy when it's singing down. What's it go now? When I'm looking in my inventory, I'm singing it's a good time for I'm trying to remember.
Shh.
It's singing on the bed, singing now. I'm taming it, I'm so loud, listen for my cat. Aw, it's your
Did you give him his fish?
No,
What?
I don't know why.
Well, maybe he'll come up to you again. Can you throw him a fish and see if he'll come up to you? First or no?
I'm saying that I might kill this ocelot.
Don't kill the ocelot.
Oh,
There.
yeah.
Oh, he.
Ocelot!
Yeah. See, he was gonna come and get you. Slow down.
Why?
Stop.
Kill him.
Because kill him.
Yeah.
Give him his fish.
I lost my home.
Did you walk too far with the arrows? Think you put the fish down? Maybe he'll follow you.
I'm in my inventory again. It's me breaking down, Robert bursting down. My dad is videoing this, and it's time to turn it off now.